Hey guys, it's Tara. Welcome back to my channel. I'm just going to do a little bit of very simple Halloweeny stamping today with Maniology plates. I'm starting with a ridge filling base coat of mine that I'm sort of prototyping. I'm sort of testing it out. I've been testing it out for a few months. You know, I really enjoy it. I would like to send it out to testers though. Testers not named Tara. So anyway, there's my base, and I'm going in with Arizona Fall League. That's going to be my all-over base color. Absolutely beautiful purple from the Tooted and Rebooted collection. And I'm not speeding this part up because, quite frankly, I'm going to do a self-leveling appreciation clip right here. This polish is unbelievably pigmented, and it's beautiful in one coat. But as you will see in a couple of seconds, my brush kind of starts to get a little dry right there. So I just go over it a couple of times, and look, it still self-levels like a freaking champ, honey. It's stunning. I freaking love my creams. If you've never tried my creams before, treat yourself. Hashtag treat yourself. Pick up a bottle. I'm going to go ahead and zip on through this second coat. Did it need a second coat? Absolutely not. But I really love plump, juicy cream finishes. So here I am with my Glisten and Glow glossy top coat, and my base is all ready to go. Oh, look at this purple. Oh, just look at it. It's absolutely stunning. So I'm going to show you guys a couple of the plates that I used in this design. I used 3 total. So M032, I used the brains, and honestly, I screwed up that middle section. So I wound up cutting my reverse stamp decal in half and then just sort of covering the seams with some white. This mummy plate, this is M158. I don't know if these big eyeballs are supposed to be used with this mummy image, so I did my own using a dotting tool. And I don't know. I needed smaller eyeballs. I don't know if those big ones are supposed to go in there or not. So I just went over using a dotting tool. I did 2 dots of Shutout, 2 dots of a neon green that is from my Golden Girls collection. I think it's called You Remember My Lying Vicious Toad of a Mother, and then 2 dots of On the Black to make my own little eyeballs. And I apologize, Free Agent is no longer available. It's been retired. So here's the design that I am actually showing y'all in this video, and I'm a doodlehead and didn't even show you the plate. It's M166 from Maniology, and it's the Sandy Claus plate. There are several like Nightmare Before Christmas images on here. It's absolutely adorable. I don't know. I don't know what happened and why I didn't show you that the full plate, but it's super cute. So check it out on their site. Again, it's M166. And I was not purposely like trying to line this up to make it look like one, big ass cobweb, because I knew I was going to be stamping over it on the right side. So I'm not really trying to, it may look like I'm struggling to line it up. I'm not. I just wanted a couple of raggedy ass looking cobwebs, and there you go. And so now I'm going to go in with On the Black and stamp this Eat, Drink, and Be Scary design. And honestly, I'm a little bit proud of myself here because I was doing layered stamping, and I'm pretty sure I had a few drinks. Okay, I'm pretty sure I'd had a few drinks, and I was like, oh sweet Jesus, I'm about to try to like layer stamp some texting. Oh Lord help me. But I'm proud. It turned out really well. I thought I was able to successfully sort of offset my texting to make it sort of give it like a dropped shadow effect. And I think it turned out really well. It turned out really well, y'all. So I don't know. I can't really say it was a failed drunk nail art attempt, but because it turned out just fine. So of course I cannot live without my Maniology smudge-free top coat these days. So I'm going in with my smudge-free top coat, and What's next? I've already forgotten. Oh yeah, so it did smear my little black dot on my eyeball, but I think that's my fault because I don't think I gave that thickish dot enough time to fully dry. So honestly, maybe this is a drunk nail art tutorial. Not really sure. I thought this mani turned out pretty well. I hope you guys enjoyed it. There it is, totally finished, top coated, the whole deal. I will see you guys in my next video. Happy Halloweeny, everyone. Bye.